Alright, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of the ProShot cam GoPro mount for pretty much motocross and dual sport helmets. I got the Icon variant and I kind of got screwed when it came to trying to figure out a good way to mount my GoPro on the chin without drilling in or running a microphone through the cord or through the vents or anything. So this is what I ended up with after reading about it everywhere. A few of the guys are running this, and reviews ain't bad, so wanted to give it a test. I guess it's pretty quickly removable. You just slap that shit on your helmet. Let me grab mine real quick. Just gonna clean that off with some rubbing alcohol, just to make sure we get the best stick you can. Alright, let it dry. Kind of curious how well this will work. Looks like it fits like perfectly, but am I going to lose functionability of that vent switch up front? I'm sure I can make it work, so that'll work. Try that off. Alright, I'm gonna do a fake little mock-up of where I want it to sit without scratching the fucking shit out of my helmet.